So this is the 300 TDI linkage all back together again. 200 TDIs and all the rest 2.5s are very, very similar. You've just got to make sure that this pivot is nice and clean here. That I put the pin through the wire brush and also the eye. New clip, new bushes. Make sure this is all nice and tight, there's no slack in the linkage. Well, there's a bit, but you know it's Land Rover. One thing to note, when you put this top pin, there should be a little tiny washer between the arm and the pin coming out of your selector. Alright, now there is some cause of confusion about when you set this eye here, how far should it be in and how far should it be out. It's trial and error, because you've got to get it to go in and out just like that. You can see that's all it's got to do, in and out. So you set that and then you'll be fine. Your diff lock, well, I can't really do the diff lock. Well, I can, well, not the diff lock but the higher no, because we need to have the car moving. But that's it, that's what you're looking for. The pipes should fasten behind this eye on a little bracket, and you can see what the problem probably was, that these, when this was spewing oil out, I think these pipes had got nipped and acting like valves. Also, try and blow through the pipes. I know it's not very nice, but make sure that the banjo bolts that are under here and under here are nice and free. You can breathe through them, because if not, you're going to get oil leaks. Alright, same time, we've greased all the prop shafts up. When these were off, when I took the gearbox off, greased everything up, so that's all nice. So then we're going to get a load of grease and spread it all over those linkages to stop any further corrosion. So that should be okay. Right, that's how the linkages go.